In this video, I will show you a schedule that will put you well on your way to earning 6 figures your first year. This schedule has 3 different parts: morning routine, find your time, and doer time. Now let's get right into the video, starting with the morning routine. But before that, the best schedules always start the night before. Before going to sleep, schedule out how the next day would go if it were to go perfectly. I know life can happen and you'll have to move some things around, but this is just a rough depiction of how you want your day to go. It's there to guide you, not constrain you. I personally go into my notes on my iPhone and make a table, on the left side putting the time, and on the right side putting the activity. Now we're ready for the actual morning routine. Wake up early around 5 to 6 a.m. I'll explain more later. You need to have a good morning routine so that you can get your day started the right way. Now, if you aren't scared of cold water, you have to be taking cold showers. It'll have you nice and energized and ready for the rest of your day. It also helps you build discipline, which is very important. After the cold shower, it is nice to do a proper meditation so that you can relax, breathe, and get your mind ready for the rest of the day. I don't include breakfast here just because I personally work much better, as do other people, fasted. And if you don't work well fasted and you want to have breakfast, you can just add in here. The next part of your morning routine is to hit the gym nice and early. Now that you've energized yourself with a cold shower, you'll be able to get your blood pumping and ready for functioning throughout the day. Do it early so that you don't leave it for the night, because if you leave it for the night, chances are you're not going to follow through, just because being a realtor, it is very easy to get very tired at night. And hitting the gym is essential to building discipline, and discipline will help you whenever you feel like you don't want to do anything. Things like door knocking, cold calling, prospecting of any kind, you feel like you don't want to do it, discipline will pull you forward, not motivation. And this doesn't have to be some crazy rigorous training program. You can have just 45 minutes to an hour and a half, that's all you really need, and you'll be good to go. Now it's time to get some work in. This is the reason that you wake up early. You can hit the gym, have a good morning routine, and still have an hour plus to work on things with no distractions. If you make social media content, you can take this time to script YouTube videos and think about new content ideas. And if you have time, you can also record some content. You can also work on building your own scripts and/or systems, just so that you can leverage your business through virtual assistants in the future, or you can just send automated text and email templates. And during this time, you can do anything else you have to do. In case you didn't realize, I am Bhavjot Cheema, and this is the Bhavjot Cheema YouTube channel. I pride myself on being able to help as many agents as possible. That's all I want to do, so whenever I see a way to provide value, I will do so through this channel. If that sounds like something that you're interested in and you wouldn't mind having pop up in your subscription box, then be sure to just scroll down below and just consider clicking the subscribe button. Anyways, let's get right back into the video. Now it is time for the afternoon, which I have listed as the doer time. Another thing about finder and doer time, the thing is, not a lot of people know where it's from. It's actually from Sirhan, which is Ryan Sirhan, the most popular real estate agent in the world. I'll have his Instagram right here. He has a course or a program, and my group actually has it for free, so whoever joins your group gets to use it for free, and I got this from there. Doer time is working in your business, doing the things that will affect your business today. So this is like actually working with clients, or going on showings, or writing offers, or doing Zoom calls. This can also include things like following up with leads. Now, if you don't have a lot of clients to work with since you're new, you can spend this time becoming more knowledgeable. Yes, more knowledgeable on your overall market, but you should also be reading books. Read books that will help you increase your business by reading books on these 7 topics: sales, social skills, building habits, staying focused, overcoming obstacles, building businesses, and real estate specific books. Now it's time for late afternoon or evening, which is finder time. Finder time is working on your business, doing things that bring you business and things that will affect your business in the future. Main thing here is just prospecting. And if you know me and if you watch my other videos, you know that I love door knocking. So in this evening time, I have put 5 to 8 p.m. for door knocking. If you door knock 3 hours every single day for 6 months in your first year, I have no doubt that you will hit that 6-figure mark easily. The reason why it is in the evening, 5 to 8 p.m., other people might say they like doing it in the afternoon. I say the evening just because this is the time that most people are home from work. Now you might feel like you might be bothering people who are eating dinner, and the truth is, you are. But the thing is, you want to be using your time effectively, especially as a new real estate agent, so you want to go out door knocking when you know that the most people are home. Now that's all I had for you today. It was a very quick video, but I hope you found it valuable nonetheless. If you have any other questions, you can leave them in the comments below. If you want to personally ask me some questions, you can just DM me on Instagram at Bhavjot.Cheema. You can call me or text me at 437-239-4041, or you can email me at bhavjot.c@gmail.com. If you want to book a completely free call with me, either to do social media auditing, free social media account creation, or just to talk about the Wolfpack, the links to that to book a call will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.